Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for your continuous support. We appreciate it. There is a island takeaway place that just opened in Hamilton and we are so excited. We're gonna drive there now. It's in Frankton on Lake Road. We can't wait to try it and we'll let you guys know what we think. I know our opinions don't matter, but whatevs.
John, what do you want? Huh?
What are you doing?
We're on our way home now. Apparently there was no galo and no povimasima, they run out, so yeah.
It'll be my first time.
Yeah.
Oh, our first time.
Are you excited, John?
Oh yes, I think my brother is going to
He's talking about
Yeah.
It's good to have island food takeaway
In Hamilton.
in Hamilton because it's
It's been a while. Apparently there was.
no, it was nothing. This must be the first one,
Oh,
but yeah, if you only an hour away to Auckland, every corner you go is always those shops. But it's good to know like there's one in Hamilton.
Yeah. There's one in Hamilton now.
Yeah.
Yay!
So if you're from Hamilton, there's a place.
It's on Lake Road.
It's on
in
Lake
Frankton.
Road in Frankton. They sell some island food.
Yeah. It's a Tongan takeaway, but we have very similar taste.
Still asleep.
We got the potato salad, the chicken curry, the chop suey, sapasui pi supu, cassava, the lusipi, and the lamb chops here, and raw fish here. Okay.
Kau main isi plate kau tu. Kau main isi plate tu. Yeah. Oh, find those two. Yeah, to the. say just do 1 hour a day. Probably get tired tomorrow.
And the potato.
Curry's nice.
I mean, the cassava.
I'm not sure what the fish is, but I think it's I think the fish is green. Fresh, nice.
It tastes different to the ones that you cooked, right?
That I made. It's nice.
This lamb as well.
The potato tastes nice, right? I like that.
This is like the yellow manioc curry Tal was talking about.
I don't taste the curry.
The supper stew is nice.
Even though it's actually my favorite. 10 out of 10 because I like the cassava and the lamb chops and the potatoes and the curry.
And the oka?
Yeah, kind of, because I only like my mom's style.
It's all clean. There's some look.
There's only a little bit of lucipi left, so.
I think I'm full. But
And
today,
what about you, Nella?
I have mine a 9 out of 10.
Yeah? What was
And
yours?
my favorite one, my favorite island food was the lamb chops.
You like curry? I'll bring curry next time. All in all, it was a nice lunch. It's good to have a change, save us from cooking.
It's not gonna save us from.
But if I go again, I'll probably go with taro if they have taro. That's what we're going to miss out, is the taro.
Okay, so that was nice. I loved everything. I loved the sapasui, the kale, the lucipi, and everything was delicious. I really liked the oka. I'm a seafood person. I love my seafood, so yeah, the oka was nice.
No.
One of these days we're gonna try the Kaimoana food truck. I think they only come to Hamilton like every second Friday. Friday night market. So yeah, it's really hard for us to pick up the phone and record things because during the week we work. I work during the day and Shane works night shift. So it's very hard for us to record something like where we're all together during the week. And that's why it's only possible for us to do it in the weekend. Whatever comes up in the coming days, we'll definitely share that with you guys. Most of the time, Shane and I just leave stuff to do in the weekend. That includes our washing, taking the kids to the park, doing some other stuff. Our lunch is done, the kids are fed, Leo has had his feed just now. We're heading out again, take the kids to the park and then get some stuff that we need for the house.
So here we're in the dairy. Look, we're here to buy some ice cream. Looking at my ice cream.
This is lime. It's beautiful.
What did you get, Dasha?
I got Hokey Pokey and also my sister.
Daniela got the same? Daniela got the same, man.
I already started eating mine.
I got the chocolate chip. Orange chocolate chip.
go.